Hi, this is Ken Salvail here today, and we're having a look at the Lechuza planter line. These are a type of planter they're self-watering planters, which is really nice for I think for everybody. It's difficult to find planters, or let's say have success with planters, when they're continuously drying out in between waterings. And no matter how hard we try, I mean, a lot of people are great and they're very diligent at watering every day, but it is one of these things that it's really nice just to have a break once in a while if you happen to forget to get out there and do your watering, or if you even just go away for a weekend. You don't have to worry about your planters all dying. So these planters, they come in this is one of the smaller versions, but they come in full-size planters, and they come in all different styles and things as well. This particular one is obviously like the outdoor furniture finish, which is I'm not sure what they call that one, but anyway, they're beautiful planters. They're very high quality. These are all made in Germany, so they're made very well, and I just love the system. Pretty much all the planters have inserts that come right out, and the inserts are like so. They have a handle on them, and I'll show you some other ones here in a few minutes. But within the insert itself, there is a basin, and in this particular one, this has a slightly different version, but inside the bottom here is the actual basin, and they all have plugs in the bottom as well. And the plugs, you obviously leave them in. If you are using the self-watering feature on this pot, you leave it in, and then this bottom part fills up with water. And there's a watering area here where you actually pour the water in, and then there's a little gauge here that tells you if it's full or part full. So you just have to top those out about once a week or so. You top that up. Each planter comes with this special type of pond product, which they call it pond, and it's a mixture of different types of granules, and many of them are designed to conduct water, and some of them are just help with the nutritional release of the water to the actual plants themselves. And there might even be a little bit of charcoal or something in there to help to prevent it from going stale, but this is just applied into the bottom of the pot when you're doing the planting. So they're pretty easy to work with, actually. You just put that in the bottom and then fill it with your regular potting soil. Always use a quality potting soil, because that's where you're gonna get your quality plants as well, right? So use the best potting soil you can get. And again, this is one of the small versions. I just like it nice and light and easy to handle. And what I really like is no mess. Like with especially the bigger pots, so you put them on your decks or patios, you don't have to worry about them, leaking through. Or if you have even a lot of places have automatic water systems, and they're constantly watering, so it leaks out the bottom. And as it leaks out the bottom, it actually stains your decks and patios. But all the Lechuza lines, they have all their water is contained. So I really like that. And the bigger planters, they have the little piece that comes out. The insert has the water holding basin inside of that piece, so the whole bottom of it is actually just for runoff and for overflow. So the overflow goes down inside the pot and doesn't leak onto the patio. If you happen to be putting your Lechuza planters into a planting bed or somewhere where they can just drain, and you're okay with them draining, then you just remove the little plug in the bottom, and that allows them to drain out. So it's pretty straightforward, and they're really high quality planters, and we'll be looking at more of them as we go along.